Hey kids, I didn't end of my class, so wait here and stay tuned to watch my video. Last week we learned about alphabets with normal letters. Normal letters means this is A, B, C, D like that. Okay, but today we are going to learn a new script of writing A to Z. No script of writing and its name is cursive writing. What is that? Cursive writing. Yes, you have to write your A to Z by cursive writing method. Okay, so take your pen and your 4 lines note. Be ready with me. I will give you some times and I will count for you up to 5, 1 to 5. So you have to take your 4 lines note and a pencil and come fast with me. Okay, shall I start counting? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I finished my 5. Do you take your note and pencil? Yes, very good. Give a round of applause. Very good. Okay, kids, I too ready with my note and a pencil. Okay, before we are going to enter into the cursive writing, we have to practice the basic scripts. Okay, so first you have to practice yourself to make a tick. You have to practice yourself make a tick like this. You have to write within these 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 lines are there. You have to write within the 3 lines itself, because most of the capital letters are only within these 3 lines. So you have to put a tick mark within these 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Am I correct? Okay. Again you have to write tick like this. Okay, are you following me? Okay kids, very good. Likewise, have to tick it again. Do it very fast. Okay, and then you have to circle, put a circle with continuous order like this. Very nice. Don't take your hands from your pencil and note, because this is the practice for your cursive writing. If you do it very well, you can easy to write. Okay, I do the mistake. I take my hands from the note, but you won't. And finish the line. Next, again you have to make these rings, vice versa. Do it very fast. Very good. And next you have to draw next one pattern like this. This is only useful for our small letters. Most of the small letters are only like this. So you have to continue like this. After finishing the practice of patterns to start the cursive writing, now we are going to write the letters of alphabets by cursive writing. So I know that you remember to write a tick like this, and then without taking your hand from your note, you have to put slanting line of your right side and then have to ring it like this. This is capital A. Again front tick. I have to ring it. This is A. Capital A. Cursive writing. Cursive writing. It is a capital A. A. Again A. Are you following, my dear kids? Very good. A. Again and again you have to practice yourself. A like this. Put on tick and then a standing line. You have to ring it. A. Next we go for B. Just like this. This is capital B. Very nice. It is very easy, no? Wow. You kids, you are writing very well. This is B, capital B. And then C. This is C. C. Say and write C. We already practiced this by using our pattern. Okay, this is C. And then D. Put on standing line without taking your hand. Very good. This is D, capital D. Watch my hand, how they are making this D. Follow me. Again D. 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 And next this one is E. We are going to write cursive E. Start from the second line. This is E. 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 Very good. And next F is also very easy, so have to write like this. Put on sleeping line. F. F. Would you follow me? Yes. F. 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 Now we are going to, these letters are very easy to write, but do you note this? These capital letters are only lying into these three lines. They cannot touch the fourth line. Yes, the A, capital letter A is only touching three lines, 1, 2, 3, and then again for B is also touching only three lines, and C also touches only three lines, D, E up to F. But this G, capital letter Z is able to touch four lines. Okay, G. This is capital G, cursive G. Could you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It can able to touch four lines at all. So write careful and neatly. G. 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 And next we are going to write H. And on standing line and then ring it like A. Okay, H, say and write like me. H, next, this is the important letter of alphabet. You have to write it carefully. So listen careful. In this second line of 4 lines, you have to start like an lamp and then finish with a curve. I. This is I. Again, start from the second line and reaches the first line. Make a standing line. Finish with a curve. I. Again, I. But children, don't put like this. This is wrong. This one is wrong. This is G. So you don't put like this. You have to follow me what I am writing. Okay, write like this. You have to start from second line and reaches the first line. Finish with the curve. This one is I. Again, start from second line, reach the first line. This is I. Next, listen it carefully. Mostly I. Last but not least, now we are going to write letter J, capital J in cursive writing. Listen it carefully because I and J is looking similar. ரெண்டும் பார்க்குறதுக்கு ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும், ஆனால் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக கொஞ்சம் நம்ம தான் பார்த்து கரெக்டாக பண்ணணும். ஸோ ரைட் லெட்டர் J like this. You have to touch the 4 lines itself. Again, start from the second line, touch the 4 lines and then end up here. Again, start from the second line, reach the first line and touch the 4 lines. At last, end here. Again, right, start from the second line, reach the first line, touch the all 4 lines, end in the second line. So you don't write like this. This is totally wrong. This one is wrong. So you have to write in the correct way. So start from the second line, reach the first line and then touches the 4 line, end up in the second line, 1 2 second line. Again, like this. Very good kids. If you finish this A to Z and make yourself practicing in your 4 lines note from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Up to J you have to write yourself for again and again. Okay kids, I will see you in next class with remaining letters. Okay, bye.